Natalia from Mamatime Posh. And it looks so fancy because I wanted to try this dress. I'm sending it to Real Real, and I just wanted to see how it looks before I send it. You know, beautiful dresses, you never get a chance to wear them. Anyway, I wanted to do this haul because I got amazing stuff, and I know everybody says that every time, but this time I really had a good day. A lot of high-end brands, because the new focus of my business right now is to sell on Real Real and in consignment shops. I will still sell on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, everywhere, but I'm just trying to make it more of a passive income. So that's why you will see more and more high-end brands, but that might give you an idea of what sells for a lot. So the first item I have are those little flats, and this is brand to remember. Bottega Veneta, I think it is. I don't know how it's pronounced. Oh, this way. All right. And they're navy leather, and I paid only $2.99 for them. So that was amazing. And I was actually lucky enough to find another item from the same brand, which is amazing because those shoes are probably around $800. Sorry about that, my kids. And next item is also the same brand, Booties, Bottega Veneta, and they look really good. But I'm trying to decide if to sell with Real Real or sell it myself, because their prices of the high-end items are kind of low and they go up and down. Some of those shoes are listed on Real Real for like $300, $200, and some are $80. So I don't know what to think. So I'll decide. First send the flats, and then I will see how they sell, and then I will get also the other ones. Okay, next one is Birkenstock. They are in very good condition, maybe worn one time. So I think I might sell them on Real Real. They also take Birkenstock, but I'll decide because this is stuff I just got. Next, boots are those pretty cool looking booties like this. They're like a very dark, is it hunter green? And it's from this brand Calista. And one of them has a little bit wear on the heel, but they were $5.99. They were half price, so I got them for $3. And this brand sells on Poshmark for around 100, so they're really pretty, well-made boots. Next item, those cool little booties. Booty weather is coming up, so this is J Pliner, and they kind of look slightly distressed look, high heel, side zip booties. They look like they've never been worn, or maybe once. Next item is Vintage Coach, which is my go-to. I sold the same bags many times, and my friend actually helped me find them. I need to clean them up, polish them, and they will be good to go. So this is one, and this one is another. This one has a little bit more wear here. I'll clean it, polish, and of course mention that in the listing. Sorry for all the noise. So next item, you know, I was planning not to buy any shoes because I have a ton, but of course it was good shoe day. That's how it goes. So this one is Kula by UGG sandals, and I believe they are new, never been worn, because the zippers are still wrapped in plastic, And fun fact, Real Real takes Uggs and Collabora. So I'll decide. I got them for $2.50. Next item, I got this AGL little low heel shoes. They are size 39.5, all leather and suede. It's very cute. And I had next item, which is like I think only one of two that I got from there. Halston extra large blouse, which Real Real also takes this brand. It has really cool sleeves with like pleated and bell. So I will probably send it to them. Next are those shoes. They're not for Real Real, but I just could not pass them because they're new with tag. Really cool, chunky heel sandal, strappy with wraparound ankle from Sam Edelman. So, and I got them for $2.50, so I just couldn't say no. I'll take them probably to the thrift store and see how it does there. Next item I got was this Prada wallet, and it was a little expensive because it was $20 and it's pretty worn, but I don't know, I gave it a try anyway. It looks pretty good inside, you know, it's really nice leather, but it looks a little bit worn on some areas here. And I had coupon for 20% off everything, so I thought I will give it a try. Next are those Bruno Magli, I think that's how it's pronounced. Super soft leather boots. It's hard to see the brand logo in there, so I don't think I will show you guys, but those are like riding boot style, flat, all genuine leather, 8.5 is the size. And something fell out of them. Oh man. Okay. Next item. Oh, I forgot about this belt. I'll definitely send it to Real Real. I do really good with belts there. This is Christian Dior belt, brown. Next, I got those funky boots. I didn't really know brand, and comps are all over the place, so I wasn't sure, but they look like they're brand new. No signs of wear, and they are leather and kind of nylon slip-on, and the brand is Anteprima or something like that. I don't think you can see it very well, but I gave them a try because they were low price and I got the 20% of coupon on top of it, so why not? And next ones are those really cool Michael Kors booties, genuine leather, very cool. I don't get too much Michael Kors, but you know, leather, all leather boots. They're smallest size, 5.5, but I thought they were really cute, and I got them for half price that day, so they were about $8. So that was all I got, but I also got a few items in Goodwill, and I'm quickly gonna add them to it. Goodwill is right next to it, so I just went there after. And first thing was those shoes, really cute Vince Camuto, buttery soft leather. I might keep them myself. They're nice stilettos, they look new. Next item I also got for myself, it's just a jumpsuit. I don't know this brand, but it had a tag attached still. And next one is this. What is this? Bradley Mishka. It is their, I think, the cheaper brand. Oh, I mean, cheaper version of this brand, this Bell. But I thought they might still take it real. If not, also might sell. This is like timeless piece. And then I also got last item, this gorgeous gown. It is new with tag. Really pretty. It has a bow back and really wide, like a mermaid style. And it is from Giovanni, which is really expensive dress brand. It is new, but it is a little dirty on the bottom, and I didn't want to take it at first because it was priced $35, but I showed all the dirty areas and they gave it to me for $10, which was amazing because now I can take it to dry cleaners and it will pay. And they sell for about $150 to $250 used on Real Real, and this one has tags, so hopefully it will come out good and I can make some money on it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you like my fancy dress. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.